What's up, everyone? If you are watching XRP, you will know that it's not just another crypto, it's the digital asset built for payment on the lightning fast XRP ledger. But its price has been in a cage match with one thing for years: regulation. The huge news, of course, was the 2023's landmark ruling in the SEC case. The judge clearly said XRP itself is not a security when sold to the public. This happened in July 12, 2023. That was the green light that caused the price to surge. But since then, we've been consolidating. Why? Right now, XRP's price is caught between two forces. On the bullish side, you have that legal clarity opening doors for US exchanges to release and for institutions to engage with less fear. Ripple's continued growth in cross-border payments, especially through its ODL product or on-demand liquidity product, creates real utility and demand. On the bearish side, the SEC case isn't fully over. They are still appealing parts of the ruling, and that creates uncertainty. More broadly, XRP's price is heavily tied to Bitcoin's movement and overall crypto market sentiment. So while the legal win was massive, we are waiting for the next catalyst, like a final resolution to all appeals of a major new institutional adoption story to break out of this range. So while the legal win was massive, we are waiting for that next catalyst, like a final resolution to all appeals or a new institutional adoption story to break out of this range. That information is not an updated information about the Ripple versus SEC case. The XRP lawsuit with the SEC ended in August 2025, bringing regulatory clarity after nearly 5 years of uncertainty. Today's date is January 13, 2025, and the updated information now is that the XRP lawsuit with the SEC ended in August 2025. So, did XRP win the lawsuit? Okay, how XRP caused victory is shaping the future of cryptocurrency. The legal battle between the Ripple and SEC, the case involving the Securities and Exchange Commission, has become one of the most significant events in crypto market history. For several years, investors, developers, legal spark, and everyday users have followed the case closely. Many have asked whether XRP will win the lawsuit and whether Ripple will prevail. The outcome could affect not only XRP but also the future of digital assets regulation as a whole. This case turned into something far greater than a standard dispute between a company and a regulator. It became a stress test for the entire crypto industry, pushing the question of where the line lies between a token as a security and a crypto asset as a technological product to a new level. Court decisions throughout the process influenced the price of XRP, Ripple's strategic direction, and investor sentiment towards the altcoin. Okay, there's a lot here, but I just want to fish out the fact that is the case over. Okay, even after the key court rulings, the case between Ripple and US Securities and Exchange SEC cannot be considered fully closed, although the market largely interpreted the outcome as XRP wins the lawsuit. The legal proceedings continue to influence the company's strategic plans, investor sentiment, and the token's price. In 2025, the court remained active as part of the Ripple versus SEC story. Mid-year, a judge rejected a joint motion by Ripple and the SEC. The action prevented a premature end to the case, a signal that neither party was ready to finish the dispute. The ruling increased market uncertainty. Some legal experts believe it could delay the official conclusion. This process might still last until late 2026. What? Or early 2027. This could happen if appeals and legal disputes continue. A significant turning point emerged that the SEC and Ripple officially submitted a joint notice to terminate appeals, effectively indicating that further legal battle could be curtailed and the original 2023 court decision could stand as final and unappealable. Following this announcement, the price of XRP rose and traded at around $3.30 per token. Okay, let's check the conclusion. Conclusion: the Ripple versus SEC saga has already entered cryptocurrency textbooks as a prime example of how crucial legal framework are for the development of digital assets. The process lasted for years and was marked by significant uncertainty. However, the court rulings demonstrated that crypto projects can successfully defend their positions, even against the largest regulators. Today, the market largely perceives the situation as if Ripple has won the lawsuit. Okay, despite the case not fully concluded, this perception has strengthened investors' confidence and influenced XRP price dynamics. At the same time, it has reinforced the view of the token as a legitimate digital asset. Nevertheless, the question, will Ripple win the lawsuit, remains relevant until legal formalities are fully resolved. The main takeaway is that XRP case became a catalyst for change across the entire crypto industry. But forget the price noise for a minute. The real story is on the XRP ledger itself. The ecosystem is building an insane pace. Two major upgrades are game changers. First, the native AMM is live. AMM, or Automated Market Maker. This isn't just another DeFi clone. It's a built-in, non-custodial automated market maker directly on the ledger. For the first time, you can provide liquidity to pools like XRP, USD, and earn trading fees, all without a third-party dApp or decentralized application. This brings deep native liquidity and new earning potential to the XRP ledger. Second, get ready for the native lending protocol. This is coming soon and will allow users to lend and borrow digital assets directly on chain. So when this native lending protocol comes in, this will allow lenders to borrow you. You can borrow from on chain. You can borrow on chain. You can also lend your funds on chain with clear terms and without middleman. This is foundational decentralized finance built natively for scale and compliance. Beyond finance, we are seeing real-world asset tokenization. Major brands like Axela using the XRPL for interoperability and Ripple pushing into central bank digital currencies. So here is the bottom line. XRP's price is in a holding pattern, waiting for the next macro or legal catalyst. But underneath, the XRP ledger is undergoing a silent revolution. It's transforming from a pure payment rail into a full-scale platform for DeFi, tokenization, and institutional use case. The vision is clear: to be the blockchain for global value movement. Question is, are you just watching the price chart, or are you paying attention to the infrastructure being built? XRP is traded at around $2 per coin, $2.05 per coin. What XRPL upgrade are you most excited about? Let me know in the comment section below. I wish everyone watching me today a happy new year. If you found this video useful, smash the like button and subscribe for more straight talking crypto analysis. My name is Emmanuel Cryptonoid. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.